All right, we're going to be building the Atlantis Boeing B-29 Super Fortress 1/120th. It's a pretty inexpensive kit. I think it was $20 and then 40% off Hobby Lobby. So it was like 12 bucks, something like that. Not a lot of pieces to it. Should be pretty quick. I've got it test fitted with rubber bands, and that didn't take but like, well, an hour, but I was kind of taking my time and taking coffee breaks and stuff. I got to do some cleanup, leftover things on it, kind of sanded a little bit. All right, started with the airbrushing. It's working out really well. Original color of sprue pieces on the bottom, and I don't have any metallic, so I'm using silver, but it's turning out really nice so far. We've got most of the parts painted with the Vallejo Model Air Silver. I don't have a metallic. All right, we have a mock-up. It was a pretty successful mock-up. It's got the propellers just sitting in there. Pretty much, well, the fuselage is painted. The wings, the rudders, the stabilizers and stuff. It's painted on it. I've got to paint the propellers, the cowling covers. Is it cowl covers, I guess it's called. But it looks pretty decent for now. Well, here we are with another mock-up. Still gotta glue things together and paint the yellow parts on the propellers, and apparently the tip's supposed to be red according to the box, so I have to do that, but it's looking pretty good. I don't know how noticeable it'll be in the video, but I painted the edges black. Shouldn't be, you know, it's just a close-up. Shouldn't be anywhere near this noticeable, and I'll touch up some spots too. Got the gunners, turrets painted. I've got the cowling and part of the propellers painted. I have to paint the center red and put yellow tips on the outside of each blade, which that ought to be a blast. Well, it's finally glued. The elevators, the fuselage, the wings, and it's drying. It's amazing the things we find to help hold pieces while they're drying from the glue and so forth. So, shouldn't be too long. Should be ready to put the propellers, cowling, guns on it. I made it to where the propellers will spin, so we'll be putting the cowling on soon. Okay, here's the completed model. I have no idea why it's having trouble focusing. I really couldn't tell you. Anyway, looks really good. I enjoyed it too. All right, I'm trying to work on the focusing here and it's not working out very well. Obviously, I don't know how to use the camera on my phone very well. That looks pretty good. Looks like it's trying to focus. It was a fun model to build. I enjoyed it. Not a lot of parts, which is about right at my skill level for now. Just got a brand new airbrush after I finish painting this one with a compressor, so I'm looking forward to using that on the B-29 because I think that's going to be my next one. Anyway, till next time, this will do it for the B-29.